just arrived to Sydney. It looks so awesome. Look at the bridge. We have talked about Sydney so much. I want to go to Australia and now we're here. Cool, man.
Here we got the famous Sydney Harbour Bridge. And right next to it is the very famous Opera House. After many years of seeing it on TV and pictures, we finally see it in person. It's really cool.
I'm gonna go inside the Royal Botanic Garden.
I've never seen this bird before. This tree is crowded with blackbirds. Where should we go?
Vart är vi?
Yeah, like, I don't know.
We are at the other side.
So we see both the Opera House and the bridge. The Mint, Sydney's oldest surviving public building.
Old building, cool building.
This is Darling Harbour.
We're at downtown city.
Sunset in Sydney Harbour.
Beautiful. Do you know what? We are here on second day at Sydney. We just got interviewed by some school children and I got a flag from them. We are at the rock. It's left of Circle Quay. And it looks like this. All buildings.
We're gonna go up here to go to the bridge. Sydney Harbour Bridge. Here's the way up to the bridge.
We are stepping on the bridge. It's a cloudy day today. The bridge is shaking!
Walking under the bridge tower.
And we crossed the bridge. Here you can see.
We have crossed the bridge now.
Yay!
This is a nice view.
Luna Park. And
Suddenly we arrive to the desert. Just a picnic in the desert.
we are at Port Steed. We are looking for dolphins. So we are waiting. We are looking for the dolphins.
Oh, we're so sorry.
The things, it was so cool. Yeah. Don't forget to like our videos
And subscribe.
Extremely good they are trying.